We are here to do a review of this new piano, the Starfavor Reverie. As you can see, we're in a lab with a lot of different pianos, so we can do a good comparison and see how it stacks up against its competition. There are three things that I like to do when I do a review. Number one, it's connectivity. Does it connect to iPads, computers, for interactive learning? Number two, we like to see what is the overall experience. Is it fun? Is it kind of like an acoustic experience? Now, I am kind of a piano snob after studying 10 years in a university for classical piano. And so I've played on tons and tons of different pianos, and that makes me kind of picky. But we'll show you just the things I like and the things I don't like about it. I guess the last thing is price. How's the price? So let's go ahead first and assemble the piano. Sure. Right. Okay, in today's world, you probably want to have the capability of doing interactive learning, whether it's on a computer, a Chromebook, a smartphone, or an iPad or a tablet of some sort. So let's see what we have to have. So if you follow me down here underneath the piano, you see these different connections. We're looking for this one, which is the square plug, and you simply just plug in your USB cable there and you're set. And on the other side of the cable you have your USB-C or A that you plug into your smartphone or computer, and let's just see if it works. That was very easy. I'm impressed. Okay, what if I want to plug it into a computer? The problem is I don't have a lot of room up here, but they do make it possible for you to fold this down, and then you do have more room that you can set a computer on. I do like that. I'll go ahead and plug in and see if this works. I have a USB A or a C. I'm going to just plug it into the A cable. And then looks like it's working. So connected here. Let's make sure it's working here. All right, so that works. One thing that people don't think about sometimes is the audio. So if I hit this play, you'll be able to hear from the computer speakers. But a lot of pianos have an auxiliary input, so you can run the sound from your computer into the piano. This piano happens to have it. Let me show you. Okay, what we have here is we have an audio input and an audio output. You're looking for the audio input, and you'll take your 1/4-inch plug-in and you just plug that audio cable in right there. And on the other side, you plug this into your headphone jack and listen what happens. Now all the audio is running through your piano speakers, which is a lot louder. It's way better. Plus, you can plug in your headphone jack, and now I can hear the piano and the computer perfectly. Really good experience. Very easy to set up. Another thing that you might want to consider is Bluetooth connectivity. So, does it work through Bluetooth MIDI? Well, let's go into our instrument settings here in PianoMarvel, and I'm going to scan for Bluetooth MIDI. And I have a bunch of pianos in here, but the one I'm looking at is this Piano MIDI 3016. I'll just connect this one. It looks like it's connected because this turned green. Oh, Then it disconnected. Let's try that again. Okay, so it is connected now. And I can hit next and just test it. It looks like it's working, so that is perfect. So if I want to use my iPad via Bluetooth or my phone, it works great for that. There is also an audio connectivity. I could either plug in my headphones and it would work seamlessly. I did find one problem with the Bluetooth audio. It has a slight delay, which is problematic. So I would probably end up just plugging these right into the speakers. So it's not a problem. And that is my observation on connectivity. I give it an A. So good job on connectivity. All right, the next part of our review is to see how the musical experience is, whether the piano plays really well, whether you can be very expressive, the sound quality, and the ambience. Let's go ahead and start by how it feels. I'm going to do the repetition. It's actually pretty fast. It's not quite as good as like the Clavinova 735, but it is pretty quick. Let's try another one. I like it. It's good. Let's try some expression. See if it's very expressive. It's actually pretty easy. I don't think I've ever had a piano in this price range be that expressive before. The soft pedal, does it work? And I've never heard a soft pedal be as good as that one at this price range either. Really well done. Let's try a bigger song here. I actually like that. That's really good. So there's a little bit of wiggle in it. It's not quite as sturdy as one with a cabinet. I wish it was a little more sturdy. Let's try something else here. Okay, overall, after playing with this for quite some time, I think this is the best piano I've ever played with at the price range. The price is about $650. You can get it right on Amazon, so it's super easy to ship. It doesn't quite compare to like the $1,800 Roland or the $2,800 Yamaha Clavinova 735, but I'm going to recommend this to my students, anybody who's under that $1,500 range. This is a great, great piano. Good job, Starfavor, on producing this piano. I like it.